Hey, what's up guys from YouTube? I'm working in this project. I made this bars here yesterday, and I did a painting today, black. I got big project here. So my project for today here is I want to put emergency lights in this truck, and also I painted this the bumper, and okay, I don't want to make mistakes, so I would like to measurement from here to here, because I want to make the hole in the middle. I want to give you the same exact measurement from this one to the other and the other, and that way we can put the light straight from the top to the bottom. Alright, so this is the first light I want to put on here. So to continue with this project, I need to make 3 holes. I need to make one big hose in the middle, and I had to make another 2 little ones for the screws, one here and one here. So it's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. The one in the middle for the cable, for the wiring. So I got this is 5/16. See, I want to use this one for metal, because this is metal. So like I say, I make this yesterday, so and today is the time to to put the lights in the front, and I got 8 lights, so I planning to put maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 in the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's gonna be 8. So I need to do my best to do this light. Alright guys, I got 4 lights already. 5, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5, and this is gonna be number 6. I got the holes here ready. Alright guys, I got the lights on the grill, but right now I need to figure out where I can put these cables to inside to the truck. I make this hole here. This way I can bring the cables inside to the truck.